Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning about finding the derivative of a function using derivative of a constant and the power rule. So two formulas will be applied. The first one is d over dx of c is equal to 0, which means that if we take the derivative of a constant, the answer will always be 0. So the next formula would be d over dx of x raised to n is equal to nx to the power of n minus 1. So in this formula, we'll be multiplying the exponent to the coefficient, and after that we'll subtract 1 to the exponent. So now let's proceed to our first example. So y is equals to 9. So we all know that 9 is a constant. So we'll be immediately figure out that the answer is automatically 0. So d over dx is equal to 0. So now let's proceed to number 2, which is f of x is equal to 6x to the power of 5. So as what I've told you earlier, we have to multiply the coefficient first to the exponent. So 6 multiplied by 5, and then after that we have to subtract 1 from the exponent, which is 5. So 5 minus 1, so 6 times 5, 30, x 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the derivative of a function f of x is equal to 6x raised to 5 would be 30x raised to 4. So now for the number 3, f of x is equal to x to the power of 4. So for this function, since we don't have any coefficient for this one, we'll be putting the exponent, which is the number 4, to the front. So 4x, and then subtract 1 is 3. So the derivative of the function f of x is equal to x raised to the power of 4 is 4x cubed. So for the number 4, y is equal to 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 5 plus 8. So in order to solve this function, we have to derive each terms. So let's start with 4x raised to the power of 4. So just like what I've done earlier, multiply the coefficient and the exponent. So 4 times 4, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. So 4 minus 1. And then for the 3x to the power of 5, 5 times 3, 15. And then subtract 1 from the exponent 5, so 5 minus 1. And then since 8 is a constant, we will be removing 8. So it is equal to 0, so we can just remove it. So now 4 times 4 is 16. 4 minus 1, 3 minus 5 times 3, 15. 5 minus 1, 4. So the derivative of a function y is equal to 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 5 plus 8 would be 16x raised to 3 minus 15x raised to 4. And that would be the end of this video. Thank you for watching.